Imagine if you could find a way to see into the future and look at all the cryptocurrencies that are going to explode in the upcoming bull cycle. You would obviously do anything possible to get in these coins as soon as possible so you can make the most amount of gains. And you don't need a magic 8 ball, you don't need a genie, you don't need someone from the future. You can do this pretty easily by looking at the previous bull cycles and bull markets and bear markets and predict what's going to explode. Let me show you how. If you don't know by now, Bitcoin has already reached a $93,000 all-time high in this cycle alone. And if you're not familiar with previous bull cycles, usually when Bitcoin reaches new highs, a lot of inflow and interest enters the crypto market, and thus people take profits from this Bitcoin and it rolls out into other alts or other altcoins in the crypto space. As you can see in this path to alt season breakdown, you can see how money will flow from Bitcoin to Ethereum to large caps and eventually alt season, but you need to know more information to figure out when these are going to start happening. So we know how the money flows. Now what's next? Bitcoin exploded. Now we see ETH up over $1,000 from 2,300 all the way up to 3,400 right after Bitcoin. We then figure out when the previous alt seasons and Bitcoin seasons have started and ended, so we know our entry and exit points. We do this by looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart, which is currently in a downtrend right now, which means as Bitcoin dominance goes down, other altcoin dominance increases, allowing more inflow into other altcoins. And this projection proves that alt season will begin late this month and end in March 2025. These are just some of the few indicators and signals I look at to see when alt season is going to start and when you should start rolling out of Bitcoin and Ethereum and start looking at those 10, 15, maybe even 20x alts that you're planning on adding to your portfolio this cycle. If you want more insight and updates in the crypto space, make sure to hit that follow and like button.